like to speak or ask the next question? Yeah, I guess this one someone asked in the chat. Shriram, would you like to go?
Just a second.
What clubs to join?
Okay, so what clubs to join? Okay, so there are so many clubs, like especially technical clubs in NIT Rourkela, and people generally get overwhelmed about what club do I join, what best suits me, which is the most active club, people ask. Just to make it clear to the freshers, clubs don't like you the seniors, or don't expect any seniors or anyone to come and teach you things in clubs. Club is a place where you will find enthusiasts of that specific stack or that specific technology, where you can collaborate with them and learn together. They would help you each other in the process. That's it. Clubs don't like the people in the club don't come and teach you specifically or something like that. Just don't expect that from any club. So if you want to explore, like if you're not sure about which club to join, if you haven't decided your which field you would be trying, like competitive coding or ML or anything, I would suggest you to join NITR Devs. There are many channels where there will be talks on different fields, so you can know about each and every field, and after you find your interest in specific field, you can join clubs accordingly. So suppose if you want development, there's DSC, DSC and Open Code, which do open source development projects. And so there are clubs for competitive coding like Code Hub or Microsoft Campus Club or any other clubs. Like there are so many clubs, you can just figure out. You already know about which club does what. So yeah, that is something like that.
Um,
Just
adding on
clarifying.
to
Yeah, yeah.
Go ahead,
Yes.
Pratik.
yeah, go.
Yeah, just clarifying what Sriram said. NITR Devs is once clarifying it nicely. NITR Devs is not a club or organization or society. NITR Devs is to be very frank, it's an extended form of a WhatsApp group. So it's on a platform known as Slack. So if you are not there, join there. So it's a platform which has got over 700 people from NIT Rourkela and the nearby regions who are passionate about tech. It is segregated and easy to manage. So join there, have the app installed on the phone, turn on notifications. So almost all the tech related updates from news to hackathons or upcoming events or sessions, we try to post over there, and it is not something which is restricted to any club. It is an open platform which anyone can utilize. So feel free to join there and have your community built up. So clarifying it out, NL Devs is not a club. So and there is
Yeah.
no club membership for that. You join it by just clicking the link.
Yeah, so there will be there are different channels for everything. Like there's a channel for competitive coding, there's a channel for web development, there's a channel for app development, anything. Like so, uh, almost every club posts their updates on NITR Devs. So you can just go through all the channels you're interested in, and you can figure out what interests you. In that way, you might want to proceed further in that specific field.
Yeah, guys, you should join NITR Devs actually. It is really helpful, at least to me. I have got many help from NITR Devs workspace. Okay, adding on to what Sriram said, I just wanted to add two more points. Uh, the clubs, let it be any club in NIT Rourkela. No club provides PPO internship and placement opportunities, and joining club will provide you exposure. You can meet many cool seniors and you can expand your connections. So that's one advantage of joining clubs. And yeah, no PPO and internship opportunities clubs give. I just
Uh,
wanted to
the
clarify.
the most like advantageous things if you join a club is that you would get to know people who are exploring different things under the same branch. Suppose someone's doing you join a web development club or any club for that matter. So you would have people who are doing the same thing, so you would get to know about the latest technologies. You would get to know about any I mean any specific a technology which is on demand right now. You can just talk about it. You'll get to talk to many seniors who are actually helpful. So they'll mostly guide you. Like they'll guide you. They are not there to teach you, but they'll give you guidance. That's for sure.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, yeah. On to that, like teaching, they might we conduct workshops and stuff, but what we believe is that we ourselves are still learning, and we are not the best people to teach. So we'll obviously guide you if you have any doubts. We'll always solve them. And the best part about joining club is like they'll be really fun. And it might have felt to you that working alone or coding alone might be really boring and you might lose interest pretty soon. But if you have a club or if you have a group of people with whom you regularly code or do stuff, I am pretty sure you'll feel interested and like be motivated always. So that is the yeah. If
Yeah,
anyone
and
wants to add anything, yeah.
yeah, just one more thing. And yeah, few people think that joining any coding clubs requires some prerequisites, like you need to have some knowledge on
Yeah,
that.
important
I
thing.
want to clear that it's not like that, because I used to think that way. That's why I was not there in any of the coding clubs till my pre-final year. Though I got help from seniors and help like seniors, Sasubhai is in group. Okay, he used to sit by my side and teach me coding. Okay, so yeah, even not being in the club, you could take help of that. But yeah, don't keep this thing in mind that you need some kind of like prerequisites, or you need some coding language to get into a club. Yeah, if you're basically enthusiastic about it, some coding club will obviously take you into it. And rest, yeah, seniors are a great help. Okay, like whatever I have learned today, it's due to most of it due to my seniors, or the courses the seniors suggested. And obviously when I do the course, you need to clear the doubts. Okay, whom do you go? You go to the senior who suggested you that course. Okay, so yeah, that's how it helps to be like in the club. If you're there, some seniors are suggesting you some course to do, and or to learn it in a way. If you're getting some doubt, they will clear it. So yeah, obviously it's always an advantage, but not being in club is also not a disadvantage, because till my third pre-final year, I was not a part of any coding club. Okay, so yeah.
Yeah, so no prior experience needed. Clubs are fun and join the most active one which you feel. Cool.
Yeah.
On to next question. Okay, it is a pretty common one. Is it too late to